Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Bitpay wallet application on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open App Store or Play Store from your device. Now, at the search bar, type in Bitpay and click on search. Now, scroll down until you find this application. Click on it and click on download button. You may need to verify if it is your first time downloading the application. After the download is completed, you can click on open to use the application. You can also find the application on your home screen. So, that is how you can download Bitpay wallet application on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.